Here I'm going to demonstrate the Honest sensor Encoder HS50B, which is a reasonably sized sensor. As you can see, it's about 40-50 millimeters, which is part of the part number. The shaft is a 6 millimeter size and is very useful in not only moderately sized medical devices, but it also finds its way into a lot of industrial and OEM type of equipment. I'm running this off of a drill battery at 20 volts. It has a range of 18 to 30 volts as its requirement. And we have a multimeter here. The way I have this wired up, and we'll show a PDF, is as a voltage output, so it gives us a direct voltage based on the speed. You can also use other output types which would give location counterclockwise, clockwise, etc., etc. I've breadboarded this out. The circuit is fairly simple. Most of the circuitry is actually built into the encoder. And you can see there at rest it's about 0.84. The faster I spin it, the lower the voltage goes, both clockwise and counterclockwise. And then it will come back to rest at 0.84, 0.85 right there again. Honest Sensor is a Taiwanese manufacturer. I've been very impressed with how they produce their product. They are vertically integrated. They are a family-owned company, and the encoder discs themselves are also made by a company that they basically control all the inventory of. I'll just show part of the much smaller unit. This is a 20 millimeter design, and it comes in pieces so that you can actually install this or that piece into your mechanical design, so you don't have to bolt an entire unit on there. This is a Balmer encoder. Balmer makes an excellent encoder. They are more pricey, but as you can see, you're getting a lot of functionality into a fairly small package here. This is a quick disconnect type, which has the advantages especially for assembly in the medical device and small OEM markets. It works fairly similarly to the Honest sensors I just outlined, although you do have additional functionality for velocity, acceleration, things of that nature. On this YouTube channel you see a number of different product demonstrations, some focused on a particular manufacturer, some focused more on the technology in general. You can see on our website, sensingandcontrols.com, a little more about us, as well as other videos on Habitum high purity valves, Lovato controls, motor starters, fuse disconnects, and also a number of other action kits showing aspects of sensors.